All right, let's try an example. We're being asked to solve for the company's operating cash flows. We're only using the indirect method in this class, which means we start with net income and make those 3 adjustments. So here we have net income was $125,000. Let's look for our next adjustment, which is depreciation. We had depreciation of $12,500. You always add it back because it's a non-cash expense. Doesn't look like we had any gains or losses. If we did, we would have subtracted the gains and added the losses, but we don't have any in this year. That's fine. Just get in the habit of checking, right? And now we're on to our third adjustment. So here was our first one, our second one. Now we're on to our third, which is changes in current assets and current liabilities. Accounts receivable, that's a current asset. Okay, we had an increase. So increase in AR. Now, if we have an increase in AR, let's go back to our table. An increase in AR, which is a current asset, you're going to subtract it. Subtract the change. Accounts payable increased. Okay, so we have an increase in AP. If you go back at your table, an increase in a current liability is added to net income. Oops, grabbed the wrong number. 10,000. That's going to give us our operating cash flow. I think it's 140,000. 134, is that right? Well, you guys have young brains. Do the math. I think it's 140. Okay, but double check. All right. I'll have another example for you guys to try, just so you can get comfortable with this new formula. And then let me remind you. Okay, so this is the last topic I'm covering with you guys. Go ahead and see how it all comes together in that complete statement of cash flows on 16.4.